Hey guys, on my YouTube channel, I wanted to welcome you back to another video. Now this video is actually more of a preview video for an upcoming video. As you can see here, I've got a Windows 95 virtual machine that I've basically destroyed, and you can clearly see the Vinesauce Joel references that I've made. And the reason I've done this is because I have actually been watching a lot of trolling Microsoft scammers videos, and I kind of wanted to make some of my own. And so I noticed that no one is actually, they've gone as far as Windows 98, but can they handle Windows 95? I was thinking. Or at least so far I haven't seen anybody try with Windows 95. So I basically just screwed up this Windows 95 VM as badly as I could. You can tell this is indeed Windows 95 because if I run WinVer, you can see here it clearly says Windows 95. So this is indeed Windows 95. I have installed a few programs on it, like SCI Display Doctor, which is for the graphics, or for the video driver. I've got Netscape, two versions of Netscape Navigator, and Netscape Communicator, and these do indeed work, as you can see, if it'll decide to launch here. I think I've destroyed this virtual machine already. Well, it doesn't want to open, but I guess I could try the other one and see if that works. Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. But as you can see, yeah, I have the internet working and everything. I upgraded it to Internet Explorer 4.0, so you have the channel bar over here, and that just makes it even more annoying. You can clearly see I've destroyed this virtual machine so much so that the scammers will believe me when I say that the computer is running slowly. You can clearly see how I've completely fucked everything up here. This is Netscape 4.8, and I also have 4.04, or at least I did have it installed. You can see things are thrashing. Take a look at the, I am using a Mac, so right-clicking is a pain in the ass. I haven't actually given it a lot of resources. It's, I have 16 megabytes of RAM, registered to Mike Rosoft at McDonald's. This is Windows 95B. That's cool. It actually lists what version of IE I have installed. The hard drive, I gave it 810 megabytes of disk space, so you can see this, go ahead and pull it up here. I've used, actually, almost exactly half of the disk space is used up. It's reporting 808 megabytes, but when I made the VM, I assigned 810 megabytes of disk space. And yeah, you can clearly see that this virtual machine, I've got stuff like AOL, Netscape, I've got Display Doctor, which looks a little shady, but it's actually not a virus. A lot of people use it since VirtualBox Guest Editions will not run on a Windows 9X operating system. You can also see I've kind of screwed with the, yeah, you can see I've screwed with the appearance, messed with the mouse. You can see the cursor's kind of different. And you might not be able to hear it during the recording, but I also set it so that there's a sound played almost every single time you do something. So that'll get quite annoying with the scammers. You can see I have Soup here from Vinesauce Joel. I even named the sound scheme Vinesauce Joel. And yeah, I just did exactly what Joel does to all of his Windows machines and just completely screwed with this virtual machine and made it look like Joel has been here, so I might as well just write Joel was here on the desktop. But anyways, we're going to be scamming the scammers with this. I might install IE5. The only problem with that is I lose the channel bar, but, you know, that just removes one more thing. But, yeah, and, you know, worst comes to worst, if they decide to delete System32, I have a snapshot of this virtual machine because I'll probably be using it in future videos. So worst comes to worst, if they delete System32 or the system folder, I have a snapshot that I took, as you can, well, you probably can't see it, but I took a snapshot, so no worries. And just to prove that Internet Explorer does work too, this is IE4 Service Pack 2. See, it takes an unusually long amount of time to open because, well, well, you can pretty much tell why. But while we're waiting for it to open, I did want to ask, because currently I'm a Mac user, and oh my god, did my computer just freeze? Oh, well, the virtual machine just froze. Crap. Well, I guess I'll have to end it here, but, yeah, I guess if you guys have any suggestions on other screen recorders to use that are free and don't have watermarks or any of that crap for the Mac, please let me know, because I kind of want to record myself on webcam while I'm recording the scammer video. So if you guys have any Mac screen recorders that are free and don't have trial versions or any of that crap, or you have a trial version and it can be converted into a full version with a key, please let me know, because I'm looking for recorders other than QuickTime. And yeah, I'm really excited about this destruction video, and I guess I'll see you guys then. And rip my Windows 95 VM, I guess. See you guys then.